Japan's animation style, anime, has become a global phenomenon with a huge fan following and has inspired countless creators. In the anime community, there are many possibilities for fame and going viral. So today, we'll see how we can use anime style to create our own YouTube channel in different niches. So the method will be the same, but using this method, you can create a motivational channel, an educational channel, an entertainment channel, and much more. So first of all, I'll give this prompt to GPT. Write a short script for an anime style cartoon. You can see that it has given us a cartoon script with a title. If you like it, great, otherwise you can regenerate it. You can choose to have it write a short or a long script. So once your script is ready, copy it and paste it into a Google Docs. And after that, give GPT another prompt. Give me a detailed text to image generator prompts for each scene of this script. So in this way, we have all the prompts needed to generate images. So now it's time to create the images. And for that, I'll use Ideogram AI. So here I'll paste one of my prompts into its prompt box and generate the images. For example, I copy the first prompt and paste it into the prompt box. Since we watch anime style, I'll select anime and cinematic styles, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and then generate the image. So you can see that it has generated amazing images. In this way, I'll generate all my images and download the ones I like. And now that all my images are generated, it's time to animate them. So to animate, today I'll use the tool Hyper AI. Go to the Hyper AI website and explore the tool well. You'll find many things to see here, such as the ability to generate videos directly from text. But since I already have my images ready, I'll click on Animate Your Image. So click on Upload Image here and upload your image. And then click Create. There's no need to write prompt here as the tool can create good animation on its own. So my video has been generated. Let's check it out. You can see that it has been generated amazing. But this video is only 2 seconds long. So no problem, as we all know, Ideogram gives 4 images from one prompt. So if we generate all 4 images using Hyper AI, instead of 2 seconds, we'll have a 6 seconds video for each scene. So here also my second video is ready. So I'll animate all my images in the same way and download them from here. And then comes the voiceover part. So it's better to use your own voice, but if you want to use an AI voice, the best website for AI voice is 11 Labs. So on the 11 Labs website, enter your script in the provided box. Simply copy your script given by GPT and paste it here. Then select your preferred voice and generate the voiceover. So now let's move on the final step, which is editing. So first I'll import all my generated videos and voiceover. Then I'll set my voiceover into the timeline and adjust the videos according to the voiceover. For example, in the first scene, I've edited this video. But you can see it's only 2 seconds long, so I'll slow down its speed a bit. I want these 3 images to appear until this point. I'll slow down the speed of these 3 videos slightly so that they reach the timeline completely in time. And for this scene, I only have 2 videos. So I'll slow down the speed to adjust them properly while listening to the voiceover. And now that all my videos are arranged for the watermark issue, we can either resize our video or blur it here. For this, I'll go to the effects, search for the blur effect, and then add the mosaic effect. And also we all know when we transfer images to a video, the quality often decreases. So to fix this, I'll add the auto enhance effect to the entire video. And now you'll notice a significant improvement in quality. And next, I'll add sound effects according to the scenes. And after adding a background music, I'll export my video.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Sakura who lived in a small village. She always dreamed of becoming like the anime hero she admired. One day, she found an old book that mentioned a magical sword. Sakura decided to search for the sword. During her journey, she met a cute cat named Kuro and a strong boy named Ryu. Together, they faced many challenges, but their friendship and courage kept them going. Finally, they found the sword. The sword revealed Sakura's true power, and she was able to save her village from the evil people. Sakura became the hero of her village, and her story became an inspiration for everyone. And so, Sakura, Kuro, and Ryu began a new journey in their lives, filled with new friends and adventures.
In this video, we explored tools and processes for creating anime-style cartoons. By following these steps, you can work in any niche. Remember, practice is crucial, but don't worry if you make a mistake. So if you like this video, please like and share it.